Horses out, the up top, Nutcher, pass to begin, moving a party out, so now Victory Joe, Sudden Burst, Jigsaw Star also moving a Bloodline, Brazilian Babes, all Invictus School Dancer, Crafty Treasure in the middle, Danori inside, My Sweet Swanee, Premier Edition, inspiring Miss Pangao, and trails the field is Maimpok. Into the turn they go, Victory Joe, moving up in the middle is Zarenberg, Zalankana, back in third, Jigsaw Star, Bloodline is racing in fourth, Brazilian Baby and Pipa, down in sixth, All Invictus, moving up, Crafty Treasure, by the rail is Top Notcher, Premier Edition, My Sweet Swanee, Cool Dancer, Miss Pangao, inspiring, and Maimpok still racing in last, Victory Joe, by Awalalenka, at him second, Sudden Burst, Jigsaw Star alongside, Bloodline still in fourth, Brazilian Babe down on the inside, Soul Invictus, Crafty Treasure comes next, Premier Edition, Cool Dancer, Miss Pangao, inspiring Maimpok, then followed by My Sweet Swanee, and it's still Victory Joe by about 3 lengths. Premier Edition now moving up to take second. Down on the inside, Brazilian Babe. Victory Joe moving up. Bloodline is on the outside. Victory Joe by about 3 lengths over Bloodline. Brazilian Babe, Sol Invictus. And finally, it's Victory Joe. Brazilian Babe, Bloodline. Then comes Sol Invictus, Premier Edition, and Cool Dancer.
Ay,
Tama.
klaro.